No kware anya dwuma no obe yusu nyankopon din abu nkofo kwase nanim begu ase nanim ebegu ase enti osafu ozu ansa don't try me. The God in me is greater than the God in you because we are fake. Now try. Me catch you straight. Try. Bu nkofo a duomu but unyomu mu biemu. Yenya many chrew. We will have a lineup of about 100 pastors.
Ready to talk.
Yes. The people that they use. Because onipa bako okoha na osofu we isi wa healing no wa ya cripple. Wabakwa the same person you know to speak the truth. Na me no me no. Why na ya bronsam e magana fo. Me no ye wo su ansa. You have to be careful. One preachy ye now when we were line up, Matisse Obinim so as static as a beam. Who formation a dozen, don't even try again. Because who yoko case no maximum who police who bet them a yoko. And two pa Jijuano. Me nobody can intimidate me. No osofu, and I mean it. No osofu. I believe in God. You cannot teach me who God is. Case closed. Case closed. And the who say, Usubanye, now you soon me. Eddie Bunko for wake up. The senior or time 12 years ago, I'm to me car. Tell me about the problem. What God has done.
Yeah.
And then, or none was who change. I even have a question mark. Ne herba no see be probe. So when they are called food and drugs. Ama oma test. And who say, hey, a good product. I'm sorry. I will tell you the truth. What you say? Now, and I have spoken about Nigel at length. I'm going to leave the rest of the time for a woman who dealt with Nigella or didn't call or conform Ewo Gambia. Emma or conform a children acquire 1 year. Elders of the church, Nigel church, you know, Omu Firimuno. Omu can say, reason back when say, time wa congregation, you know, at ho, train Nigel, no aban, only oba eda. The woman will explain why Nigel sleeps with every day, a woman before he goes out there to preach. Utie bedu kobi the same thing, handkerchief or the paper, or no buyer sex or the paper. Utie obinim or no buyer sex, handkerchief or the paper.
Very synonymous with
it. What you say? A child say, Sanko Furin Yano, Omu Free Yame. Naja no crowd your side kawa. Kawanua, wouldn't him say poison, said Nayo. Because who him adi.
Yeah.
What he does, he say, on fact, Kawano and Shem will be who's or shall Kawamuni. The moment on your barney, but down where you on one ring it, but the Kawana shall know their finger or bar. We are only key Obano and San Robert started because of conformity. So only key Obana Sia. And then by his mouth, Nyobeke Biano will come to pass. Yes. And the more when you die in Yano, it was not love. For power. Anna, send your Benya Kwan, a dear boot in Kofo. We are talking about him today. If indeed, Muamu ko Niger Jose, or Muamu who a dear, Tisania Nano or Casa. Ko presby abetimi akọ na embom e so okwa soria wo mu hu ade wo mu no enye ehunade bia na wo mu mean say eduro kura so okoje a e man powers nyina enye no kure. What it does is say psychologically e ma wo nya akukuduro bi e na be show mu wo mu di hu. First of all, I didn't know say or conforce or amount powers here. If any powers in the coffin.
No, he's been exposed.
Yeah, why? Anywho. But near one me say, near man coffin me say, who be editro. Then the members will begin to see say, Papa in some more kicker is so Washam come way anye, Washa Grace in come amaso, John in come amaso, then they begin to leave. Because they are testing the churches. This is how they fall.
Yeah.
But say a draw pass or what drew. Woman the foku. Ghana for Muhammad, Ghana for Mutim. Say a suffer for his own word draw. Can Agyapong would have not lived these 3 months. Because they would have killed me easily. Woman who and you kwasoria kwaso yan koki kansam chiro unana na eyew umame na eyew ena wo yefun na fibro na dem ena wenya cancer ena wenya say na wo ye tongue so sa me the day of Pentecost was it they were speaking in tongues. Even people from Arabia could hear and understand the language. Ask yourself. In the church of Pentecost, Lagos, Lagos town. I remember the pastor that time was Pastor Nyako. Me na fufu yi akopɛ mu guest. Me na mini skadimina. Me ye between am ko friend guest ne ba.
I see.
So tadua ne me nya biedi. You call girl you of Genevieve from Nkoko. You through her by Anna. So start your na me na for the carton.
Show
Yeah, me come say, hey, man go be say, kwa kuti say na me ya ne kwasi. aya kope meya basisi ai
Edwemu
Baba. So I asked them, say, who into tongues now who come? Why ne was sort of them how what? Why ne was I sort of them how what? Tongues, so without respect to Pentecost, more so nobody tongues no bar more Ghana. And Uncle we are bonnier for I capitalize on it. I want to know from myself for one day a call ye be attack ready. Myself were and I'm poor sempa, but the way I now see cancer for one sem. Now, besides, say, a can't be do tongues soon and besides. So, are you saying, say, oh, tongues now, oh, can? Who call for the tears or them? Your cast will be in chance with me. The beginning of tongues. Peter, no more time.
Yeah.
It is our time, or no? When they were speaking in tongues, when I was sick, even Obi of Free Arabia could understand. Is that what is going on? So, I am not saying that you shouldn't go to church. But don't go to this one-man churches here. There be a who baby. I'm sorry for one-man churches in painful be grow or what? Okay, sorry. Monday. Tuesday, Monday, a friend is a worship. Monday, Tuesday, wow, prayer, one, say, every worship, every day you go there, you pay money. Are you dumb? Wake up, are you dumb? Back, I was oil company, or Titrasak, or can I say, honorable, Bantaman, Casey Kabianshi, because. Papa be to me from me every month.
That's also for penny no.
You know, hey Johnny, this country is dangerous.
Hey.
You need prayers. I just operate $10,000.
A little of one.
Yes. Or call the anointing oil.
That's right.
Also washing the feet.
Okay.
Or the oil account $10,000. So in 12 months, $120,000.
Jeffrey
Young guy.